grace of our and peace of our Creator be upon us this day or this night. Warm greetings to all of you and welcome to our company's 20th anniversary milestone. Today, when we have completed one more successful year, let's celebrate being able to make a significant space for ourselves in the pest control market and hope to keep achieving new milestones and beat our records.
To Ms. Margaret, the CEO of Briones Pest Control, sana mas tumagal pa yung inyong company sa services ng pest control, and thank you very much for inviting me on your 20th anniversary.
Papasalamat una sa Diyos sa pagsapit ng ating ika-20 taong anibersaryo ng Briones Pest Control, at sana po umabot pa ng mahabang panahon ng ating pagsiservisyo sa bayan. Sana po kay Madam Margaret Briones, maraming salamat, at kahit may edad na, tinanggap na pa rin ako. Salamat.
The path to success is never easy, and each one of us has poured our blood, our sweat, and tears into building this company into what it is today. Without your commitment, passion, and expertise, we would not be where we are today. I also want to take a moment to acknowledge the countless hours of hard work, the sleepless nights, the sacrifices made, and the challenges that we had to overcome.
Di man po kami malaking pest control company, gaya po na marami po nakikita natin sa mga advertisement and mga social media, pero sa awa tulong po ng Diyos, we believe when we look back behind 20 years before, naniniwala po kami na marayo na po ang aming narrative.
Hi, Ma'am Margaret. Thank you for inviting us. Happy anniversary to your company. Happy 20th anniversary to your company.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I thank each and every one for your dedication, your passion, your unwavering support, and most especially for celebrating this milestone with us. Here's to 20 years of success and to many more years of growth, prosperity, and excellence ahead. To God be all the glory. Thank you.